Vienna, September 11th, 1891. Dear friend, could not notify you sooner because I myself did not know. Now I can tell you that on September 15th I am expecting you impatiently and joyously in Vienna, Berggasse 19. Most cordially, your Dr. Freud. The neurologist Sigmund Freud writes these words to his colleague Wilhelm Fließ shortly after moving into Berggasse. The Freuds live here in Vienna's 9th district for almost half a century. Sigmund, Martha, 6 children, and sister-in-law Minna. Professor Freud works here in his practice, writing around 20,000 letters to such famous figures as Thomas Mann, André Breton, and Albert Einstein. Freud's office at Berggasse 19 becomes a symbol of the move into the modern age. Inquiries arrive from all over the world. Everyone wants to be treated by Freud in person. With his new methods, talking therapy and free association, Freud sets out to probe the human unconscious, thus establishing a new science that will forever change the way people see themselves. Freud's writings become milestones of modern cultural and social theory. The father of psychoanalysis is an advocate of open-minded life together in society. Unbiased, he considers people's strengths and weaknesses. The terms id, ego, and superego are still used today to explain the structure of our personality. The unconscious is the locus of repressed emotions and wishes. It is expressed in dreams and parapraxis, such as the Freudian slip. Sigmund Freud leaves Vienna in 1938. Together with his closest family, he flees the terror of National Socialism. All of the family's furnishings are packed up and transported into exile in London. All that remains is empty, deserted rooms. Today, Berggasse 19 is home to a museum. Attracting more than 100,000 visitors a year, this historical location is devoted to the study of Freud's life, work, and the history of his influence to this day. The aim now is to preserve this unique cultural heritage and to equip and convert the Sigmund Freud Museum in keeping with international museum standards and to take it into the future. For this, we need your support. Help us by becoming part of the project Sigmund Freud Museum 2020.